Hey, it's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, the only yoga studio where flexibility is not required. And today we're going to look at using one yoga block in a yoga pose that's called the bridge. So when you're ready, grab a wall, grab a yoga block, and let's work on our bridge together. Awesome. So here's what we're going to try to do. Just get your toes close to the baseboard of the wall. You're not going to put your feet up on the wall, but just a place that your feet are more or less stable. Yoga block set lengthwise between your knees. Lie on your back. Don't worry too much about how far your feet are away from your buttocks. What matters is that your knees are comfortable. You don't want them compressed too much or extended too much. Arms by your side. Now, we're not going to squeeze the yoga block to death. We're just going to gently hold it in place as we go through our bridge. This is going to help keep our shins and knees vertical. So, on the inside, do your Kegels. On the outside, posterior pelvic tilt, and then you start to curl your tailbone under. It's called a posterior pelvic tilt. You're peeling yourself off the yoga mat. Once you've gotten as high as you can, now you're going to try to push the yoga block towards the wall. This helps put a little bit of extra traction on your spine, and it also helps put a little more glute and hamstring activation into your bridge. But slowly return back to the starting position and gently remove the block from your knees. Now, in the highest, most technical sense, you wouldn't practice the bridge that quickly. I was just demonstrating it for you so you could see how to use the yoga block. Go very, very slow and controlled, and let me know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe to our channel because we'd appreciate it. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll shave off my beard. Go forth and be awesome.